topics covered in this lecture. In this video lecture, you'll learn how to show the formulas in a worksheet. In this video tutorial, I shall discuss how you can make visible the formulas in the worksheet. Look at this worksheet. By just seeing, you cannot say which cells are containing formulas. These cells might seem to you that they are having formulas, as I have used output cell formatting on these cells. But looking at this range, it is tough to say which cells are containing formulas. Mistakenly, you might change a cell that is containing formula. Say I click on this cell and then type 600, press return. The value is same, but if you change the quantity, say I make the quantity to 100, you see 600 is not changing. But if I change the quantity of orange to 50, press return, you see the cost amount has been changed. So sometimes it is important to show all the formulas in a worksheet. There are multiple ways to show the formulas in a worksheet. Press Ctrl and the tilde key in your keyboard. You see all the formulas are visible now. This cell that I mistakenly changed has no formula. I just select the cell above it and copy the formula using the fill handle tool. If I press again Ctrl and the tilde key in the keyboard, then the formulas disappear. There is another way. Click on the File tab, Options, Advanced. In the Display Options for this worksheet section, just select the option Show Formulas in Cells instead of their Calculate Results. Click OK. You see the formulas are displaying now. Press Ctrl and the tilde key again. The formulas disappear. Sometimes you may want to show some specific formulas, not all the formulas in a worksheet. To perform this job, you can use the formula text function. I click on this cell, input =, type formula. You see formula text function appears on the list. Just press tab. The formula is placed in the cell. I select the first cell in the cost column, press return. You see the formula is showing in the cell. I copy this formula to other cells of this column. You see all the cells are showing formula now. This is how you can make the formulas of your worksheet visible. These are the key takeaways from this lecture. You will get the downloadable copy of it with the exercise files and also in the lecture resources window. This summary will help you to grab the overall discussion of the video, print it or use it in your own